Hello everyone, friends. Welcome to the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install OptiFine with Forge. For this, you'll need to open your browser. First, we need both Forge and OptiFine, of course. Open these two sites and click download. Click download here. We need our specific version. Here I'm downloading two versions. Let's see. For 1.2, 1.8, yes, specifically for this video. So I'm downloading the latest version, and for 121.8, I'm downloading the latest version from here. Download everything and wait 5 seconds. Click skip here. Download started. Downloading. Click download here. Now we have two files and nothing else is needed. I'll move these two files to the desktop. Next, I'll open the Forge installer. Then click OK. It will install. Let me continue with you. After installation is complete, open the Minecraft launcher. And here in installations you'll see our Forge. Here it is, 1.21.8. Click on the folder. It opens up and here you'll find the mods folder. Now drag our OptiFine here, and that's how it's installed. This has been Velour. Like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.